Yeah, that happened. I fucked up my brother's guitar. Sorry, man. Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna be using this black vinyl from my previous project. And this thicker white vinyl too. I'm gonna put this down to really plug the hole. Vinyl stickers are pretty cool to work with. They're pretty durable. You can peel it off and stick it back on quite a number of times. I'm using this gum pod separator as a squeegee to squeeze all the air bubbles out. Now at this point, I guess I could call it a day, but what the heck, let's go for the overkill. I'm going with a Japanese tattoo style, the sun rising over Mount Fuji, ocean waves at the bottom, and the clouds on top. Well, at least that's the vision. I've not done this before, so I really don't know how it's gonna turn out. But you gotta start somewhere, right? know how sometimes things turn out better than what you saw in your head? Well, this ain't it. But then again, not bad for a first try. What do you say? Redemption or repair? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Black Beats, over and out.